What's up, extras? Welcome back. I'm so glad to be here today. I have a very viral bag right now that is insanely hard to get a hold of. I'm so excited that I actually have it here in my possessions. I have not seen it yet. I told myself I wasn't gonna go into Coach. I was gonna be good. I was just gonna stop by a couple other shops, but it was on the way. So I popped in and there was Mario right up front. I hadn't seen him in a while. Shout out to Mario. Hi, Mario. I went in to look at the new Empire because it has gone viral. It has been everywhere. So of course they didn't have any of the 48s. Those things are sold out, or so I thought. So I went in, I spoke with him, and he was like, hey, I'll just message you if we happen to get any in. And I got a message. So of course, immediately I had to say, yes, 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 I will take it. I'm so excited. I'm so ecstatic. Just take my money, I need it. And come to find out, a charm that I had been waiting for also had popped up for sale at his store as well too. So in this box today, which you guys will see in a second, is huge. It's 2 items that it's in there. Before we get into it though, if you are new here to my channel, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do unboxing, usually Coach related, here on my YouTube channel and over on my Instagram page. Both are at Ralph by Design. If that is your bag, feel free to follow me here and over on Instagram and to see all the new updates about this bag and possibly some more coming soon. So without any further ado, let's get into this gigantic unboxing. So I was not kidding when I said this box was huge. I don't know if it'll even fit in the frame. So gigantic, gigantic, gigantic box. I have not opened this. I have not seen the bags. I was just told that the bags were too big for a gift box. Okay, I have to put this on the ground because I cannot get into it. Before I do, you guys can take a look in there. Before I do, this is going to be the charm, and the fact that it needs a box this big, I just know this is absolutely huge. Let's get her open. I've only seen pictures, nothing in person, but let's see her. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is extra to say the least. This is gigantic, this is heavy, and this is so cute though. So let's give it a little, okay, let's get these sorted out. So of course you have your iconic New York City taxi cab, this gigantic, gigantic apple here. And you guys, this is heavy. I'm pretty sure this is probably solid. This is so adorable. Check that out. It's got that shiny little leaf on there. So, so cute. And of course, it's not New York City without the Statue of Liberty. This is style number CY403. This is a Coach collectible. Caution, this is not a toy, is intended for adult usage only. Please handle with care. Love that. So cool. This is definitely gonna go on my collectible wall. I have a gigantic Rexy with like a shearling mohawk that I think this is gonna look awesome next to. What you guys are here for is that Empire 48. Let's get it open. It had to come in a shopper. It was too big for a gift bag. Oh my gosh. This is huge, absolutely huge. Let's get it open, let's get it open. Enough waiting, I've waited long enough for this since the runway. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, you guys. This leather is stunning. Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. Give me a second to take it in. She is stunning, you guys. I don't know if this is a scratch though. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I think that is a scratch, which sometimes does happen with manufacturing and when they're assembling everything together. But let's get this unwrapped and take a look at her. She is gorgeous, she is stunning, she is everything. This is huge. I really want to get it unstuffed. and just to see the slouchy goodness of this bag. Here she is, all unwrapped. Look at that squishy goodness of the leather. Like I said, this bag takes up a big footprint, but it's so squishy that when you put her down and you use her over time, she's just gonna slouch and be absolutely stunning. This color is gorgeous. So you got the burnishing at the top, the corners. She is absolutely stunning. Look at that leather. That leather looks stunning. This is, they're calling it natural full grain leather. So this is natural full grain leather, and you feel it. Even though it's a big, really, really big bag, I don't feel like it's insanely heavy, at least for me. Of course, being this big, once you start loading things up, it definitely is going to be heavy, but it is absolutely stunning. Let's give you guys a little look around. There's some burnishing on the bottom as well too. That's where it's stamped right there. You guys, this is stunning, and look at how it puddles. Like, it puddles in the nicest, sexiest way. I'm normally not this style of bag kind of guy, but this is just, I think it's very classic. This bag is going to age amazingly. The design, the leather, the quality of the materials. The jury's still out on the inside because I have not seen too much about the inside of this bag. The website does say that it is fabric lined. I would say that's probably kind of one of the things that I'm a little bit meh about. Just because, you know, I love the extra leather lining. But keep in mind, having this fabric like suede on the inside, it's gonna make it a lot more durable, a lot easier to clean. And this being a larger size bag, when you go to put things in it, you're not gonna be so worried about if the things you're putting in there are gonna scratch it. So it definitely has its pros and its cons. Plus, if they would have done suede lining on the inside, I think the weight of this bag would have been next level, super heavy. Most people would have found that to be a turnoff, and then it wouldn't be something that would be practical and usable to a lot of people. So I'm pretty sure that's why Coach decided to do the fabric lining on there. Durability and just the weight. I do love that it has a key leash. I haven't seen a bag from Coach in a while with a key leash since like the first generation Rogue, and I absolutely love that, especially on a bag this big. It does have these buckles in the back. I don't know if you guys can see them back here. There are some buckles, and you undo those buckles and these sides expand some more, just to give you a little bit more space, like you need any more space in this gigantic bag. But I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning. Aside from the scratches, I'm gonna see if I can get those buffed out because this bag is so limited. It is so stunning that I would hate to have to miss out on this one. The only thing I worry about on this style of bag is these corners. So anytime that the leather folds over like this, instead of the leather being cut and then sewn there, these corners right here tend to wear. So keep in mind that's probably going to be a wear point right away. I do have an XL burrow bag. It's more for like a weekender kind of style of bag, and it has the same types of corners. And even when I bought it, some of the corners were like that. I can't stop talking about this leather. This leather is everything. It is amazing. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. You have your leather stamping right here in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, right there. It also does come with a crossbody strap. I don't really foresee anybody wearing this crossbody, but I do love that it does give you a shoulder strap. Since the bag is so smushy, it'll be able to be put on your shoulder and just puddle together. Super cute. I love that. Full grain leather on that as well too. And that hardware. You guys know Coach is known for their hardware. I believe it's Leatherstein on TikTok. He knows all about Coach's hardware, that they mean business. That is extra on extra, and you guys know I'm here for it. I'm all about it, and I'm definitely gonna be doing that. The only thing I worry about is like the Statue of Liberty has some sharp corners, so I wonder how that is going to fare with this leather. If you guys are wanting to pick either one of these up, I will link Mario's Instagram down below. Hit him up, send him over a message, let him know I sent you and you need a 48 or a charm. He will definitely help you guys out. He's so amazing. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think of this bag, if you guys want to see more of it, and if I should add the honey to my collection if it comes back in stock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.